isn't it? I've never seen skin like it in my life. I'm not even kidding. And she was grey white. And I just thought, that's that, isn't it? Never look. Just come out your head and do that. And look how nice your pigtail is. You do it in your hair, you never look that nice. Why is that? I love the way it's like, you know, in your hair. And I've done the last because when they're tucked in your head, you're only getting like that. Like this. When it's all through. You're right that lady. That goes minutes when you look better.
Gone.